Meaning of Gertrude Stein.
Gertrude Stein.
Gertrude Stein.
Gertrude Stein.
Gertrude Stein. Gertrude Stein was an American writer and art collector who lived in the early 20th century. She was known for her experimental writing style and for being a leading figure in the modernist movement. Many of her works, such as 3 Lives and Tender Buttons, were characterized by their unique syntax and emphasis on language itself rather than traditional plot structures. Stein's influence extended beyond literature to the visual arts, and she was known for her close relationships with artists such as Pablo Picasso and Henri Matisse. Today, she is remembered as one of the most innovative and influential writers of her time.